From cuts to color, we've got the scoop on the hottest fall hair trends. My name is Vivian Phillips, and I'm a beauty expert here at JCPenney. It's our goal to give you a look not just at what's trending, but what's actually going to work best for your vibe and preferences. Fall is finally here, which means we're saying goodbye to tank tops and shorts and hello to sweater weather. And since our staple clothing items are go-to looks change from season to season, it may be time to start thinking about changing up your hair game. A new season is a perfect excuse to experiment with your look, whether that means spicing up your usual style or going for a whole new cut and color. Whether you're looking to change your hair color, chop it all off, or just try some new styling techniques, we've got you covered. In this episode, we'll be exploring some of the top fall hair trends for 2023, including cuts, color, and styles that are perfect for transition to cooler weather. We'll be talking everything from lower maintenance cuts to bold and vibrant hair colors. Fall hair trends are all about embracing change and trying something new. So don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. With the right tools and products, you can create a whole new look that will leave you feeling confident and stylish all season long. Let's face it, we've all had our fair share of hair disasters, from botched dye jobs to cuts that were tear-inducing. And let's not even get started on the struggle of trying to keep up with the latest trends while also staying true to our personal style. I know that changing up your hair can be a major decision. One wrong move and you end up stuck with a style that just doesn't work for you. Plus, with so many different hair types and textures, so many stylists think one size fits all, which is obviously not the case. We want to help you find the right style for your hair type, as well as something that will complement your skin tone. Choosing the right hairstyle and hair color can make a big difference in the way you look and feel. It can enhance features and make you look younger and boost your confidence. The key is to find the right style that complements your natural skin tone, hair texture, and facial features. So while we might be talking all about hair, I think we first need to chat about skin tone. When it comes to hair color, it's essential to choose a shade that complements your skin tone. If you have a cool skin tone, you want to opt for cooler shades like ash blonde, platinum, or brunette with soft ashy tones. If you have a warm skin tone, on the other hand, I recommend gravitating towards warmer shades like honey blonde, golden brown, or copper. Naturally, your hair texture should also be taken into account when choosing a hairstyle. For instance, if you have wavy, curly, or kinky hair, you might want to go for a layered cut that adds volume and movement to your hair. Conversely, if you have fine hair, you might want to consider a shorter cut that adds body and texture. Those are just some quick tips, but they are hardly a comprehensive guide. So next, I want to really get into the nitty-gritty of what these general guidelines mean for you and your unique hair and skin. First up, cuts. 2023 has been all about shorter styles that are still full of volume and texture. And fall is no different. The shag is back and better than ever. This edgy cut features choppy layers and lots of texture, giving off a cool rock star vibe. We've seen this look on everyone, from lighter colors and thinner textures to people with dark, tight, and textured curls. This is such an effortless and forgiving style, which is why it is at the top of my list. Anyone can get involved, and if your summer look was more on the chic side, this might be the perfect way to mix it up. For anyone with shorter hair, I have good news. The pixie cut is still going strong. Honestly, I don't think this will ever go out of style. This low-maintenance look is perfect for anyone on the go. For straighter hair types, this can easily be styled with some wax or pomade for a textured, messy look. For more textured hair, you're going to want products like light oils, or leave-in conditioners to accentuate your natural volume. Next, I want to talk about color. Warm and rich tones are taking over the fall season, with shades like cinnamon, caramel, and chocolate being the most popular. But I know that while some people might feel more comfortable with natural-looking tones, some of you guys are feeling adventurous. If you're craving bold or bright colors, I recommend trying out a deep red or purple. This is going to give you an eye-turning pop of color while still playing into fall shades. No matter what color you're shooting for, I'm obsessed with the money piece. This style uses two face framing sections of hair to draw attention to your face, making that section a shade or two lighter. This is so great because it works with natural looks, but you can also use this technique to play with fun, bold colors. Color blocking your hair is another fun way to spice up your look. This involves dyeing two different sections of your hair different colors. Some people dye their hair half and half, while others play with underlights, dyeing their bottom layer of their hair a fun, bright color for a surprise peak of color. So we've talked cuts and color, so that just leaves style. This year, it's all about effortless and natural looking hair. The top trend this season? It probably won't be hard to guess because this is consistently a favorite fall look, and that would be the messy bun. It's effortless, it's classy, it's stylish, and if you're feeling extra adventurous, add in some fun hair accessories like a velvet scrunchie, pearl hair clips, or bright barrettes. The bottom line, whatever it is, don't be afraid to embrace your style. Another look that's making a comeback this season is the sleek, neat bun. Messy buns are fun and always in style, but this polished look is perfect for both work and play. Just gather your hair into a tight, low bun at the nape of your neck and use a bit of hairspray and a comb to smooth down any flyaways. Another chic look that's in style is the slick back pony. It's sleek and modern, and the sleek look is a simple way to elevate your traditional ponytail. Whether you're into edgy cuts, warm tones, or playful styles, there are so many fun and exciting ways you can take your hair to the next level this season. So if you're looking for a sign to mix it up, this was it. You have officially been encouraged to go for it. Now let's talk about products you'll need to achieve these fall styles. For an edgier, shaggier look, you're going to want to nail that effortless vibe. For volume and to texturize choppy bangs, you'll want to start with a root lifter like Redken Styling Volume Root Lifter. It's long-lasting and has a natural feel and texture that will really lay the foundation for this look. Finish the look with the Kenra Texturizing Taffy Hair Paste to hold your hair to blend seamlessly while adding that little extra oomph. Paste is critical to getting that I woke up like this effortless look. For our neat bun look, we're putting the chunky hair ties back in the drawer and upgrading our hair accessory game with Invisibobbles Original Crystal Clear Hair Ties. Clear hair ties add to the neat and tidy look while securing everything in place. Then you'll want to secure your look with some hairspray. For loose waves, you'll want to prime your hair with this viral Eva NYC Main Magic Primer. This is going to prep your hair and help protect it from heat damage. Next, take your Chi Vibes Wave On multifunction waver and use it on a low setting to achieve some luscious loose waves. Thanks to this primer, this look will hold much longer and have less frizz. There is no wrong way to style these fall looks, so feel free to mix and match techniques and styles until you find the right one to suit your vibe. And that's a wrap on fall hairstyles for this season. Whether you're going for the sleek and professional or bold and playful, I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. If you still have questions or need to talk to someone about the best options for your unique hair type and texture, we want to help you find the right products for you. Come into any JCPenney Beauty and our beauty experts will help you find the right stuff for your hair and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date on all things hair, makeup, and skincare at JCPenney. And be sure to ring the bell so you can get a notification when new tips drop. We'd also love to hear about your favorite fall hair trends, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.